Every sunrise introduces a world illuminated with hope and potential. The sun, a constant beacon, has bathed our planet for ages. But why does light, especially from this celestial body, have healing powers? Light is electromagnetic radiation, and while it comes in different types, ultraviolet, infrared, and more, each has unique therapeutic qualities. From ages past, civilizations have harnessed sunlight for healing, a testament to the ancient roots of phototherapy. Different lights serve different needs. Blue light, not just for treating acne by targeting inflammation-causing bacteria, but also a remedy for seasonal affective disorder. Infrared light, it goes deeper, aiding in muscle recovery, circulation improvement, and pain relief. Red light therapy is the go-to for radiant skin. It boosts collagen, reduces wrinkles, and fights aging. Our skin, constantly battling environmental challenges, finds a friend in light therapy. How does LED, or light-emitting diode, do this? It's a tiny powerhouse that lights up when current passes through. Originally used for energy-efficient lighting, now a beacon in medical and cosmetic innovations. From lighting our rooms to treating our skins, LED's spectrum of use is vast. For instance, LED yellow light, an effective treatment against rosacea and sunburn. So, when we ask what LED represents in therapy, it embodies hope, innovation, and beauty. For those with conditions like eczema, specific light treatments offer relief, reducing inflammation and discomfort. Can't sleep? Insomnia, light therapy, using controlled light exposure, can reset your body's clock. For those missing the sun's touch, sunlight lamps recreate its brilliance, especially for those in darker regions or confined spaces.